Welcome back, everyone. Donald Trump chose to attend his hearing in our nation's capital yesterday. However, the former president's defense did not seem to be well received by the judges.
Well, our Washington, D.C. correspondent Basil John is standing by live right now to tell us more on what was argued and what's next. Good morning, Basil.
Well, Sharon Ito, good morning. While the former president and his legal team defended the claim that the president has immunity, the panel of federal judges questioned that claim.
A president has to have immunity. And the other thing is, I did nothing wrong.
Former President Donald Trump and his lawyers stood their ground Tuesday on the claim that Trump is immune from prosecution on charges that he plotted to overturn the 2020 election.
To authorize the prosecution of a president for his official acts would open a Pandora's box from which this nation may never recover.
However, the panel of 3 federal appeals court judges expressed skepticism around the immunity claims.
I think it's paradoxical to say that his constitutional duty to take care that the laws be faithfully executed allows him to violate criminal laws.
A quick decision is crucial for special counsel Jack Smith and his team to get the case to trial before the November election. Prosecutors argue that Trump's actions to overturn the election fall outside a president's official duties.
The president has a unique constitutional role, but he is not above the law.
But Trump says otherwise.
And I did nothing wrong, absolutely nothing wrong.
Now, the panel of judges said it plans to act quickly, but Trump's lawyers are hoping for an extended appeals process that could delay the trial. Reporting live in Washington, I'm Basil John.
And Basil, before you go, where do Trump's other cases stand? Because that isn't the only one he's facing. He's got a number all across the country.
Yes, that is correct. So the 3 other trials that the former president has to deal with, both state and federal, they are still going on, but the D.C. trial would end up coming up first. The latest that we've heard is that possibly Donald Trump will go up to New York, where he will provide his own concluding argument in that New York case.
All right, Basil John reporting live for us, always keeping us updated. Thank you so much, Basil.